So I auditioned in an art competition, but quite frankly, I'm not the best artist out there. Yeah, that's what I'm working with. So I decided to use my programming skills to help me win this competition. But, how am I going to do that? Okay, so I'm not going to be winning any competition if I just throw paint on the screen. That's why I'm creating the ultimate plan. I gotta say I like this font a lot. This plan consists of 3 main factors. First, code structure. Think of it like game performance. Like, does my app have the quality to compete for first place? Second, my mindset. A true artist knows the right color scales and good power moves to step up their game. After all, even if I do have a good code, I still need to make the colors complement each other so it doesn't look like a piece of dirt. And lastly, vegetables. Mainly because they're healthy for me and they're gonna help me grow big and strong. Alright, now that we've got the ultimate plan, it's time to actually learn and build each step. First up, code structure. In order to build a fully functional drawing Python game, I'm gonna need this drawing extension in Python. Now, in Python, there aren't that many extensions. However, I have managed to locate the extension called Turtle. This extension is literally made for drawing. In addition, another extension I'm going to be used is called Ursina. This extension allows me to add 3D items such as a plane, block, Roblox guy, and more. So basically, I'm going to be making my own 3D blueprint using Ursina and replicate that drawing in Turtle. So now that you know what the strategy and the ultimate plan is, let me tell you guys how I got into the competition. So long story short, I have a friend named Legit Lynn. She's a legit artist, no pun intended, I'm being legit right now, who recently auditioned in the art competition. So naturally, when she put her art in the competition via YouTube post, that caught my eye. Eventually, I looked into the contest and I found out that the rules firmly stated no AI art. And I was like, fair enough. But you know what it didn't say? Nothing about writing Python code to greatly assist your performance, greatly enhancing your drawing capabilities, pushing them to the max. So as a programmer with today's day and age, I'm here to prove something. You don't need AI to succeed no matter which field you explore. You can use the creative juices that you have in your head and maybe vegetables. Now that I'm done with the code, let's move on to the second factor, the mindset. So to fix my artistic mindset, I'm going to be learning from Legit Lynn's videos to learn which colors go best together. What a learning experience. Now, after everything I've learned along this journey, code I've put in, the yelling I've heard, and the celery I've munched, I'm ready to finally tackle this challenge. Which is when I forgot something. I forgot to add an undo button and an eraser. I'm just sorry, the answer to log was just really good. So any and all mistakes were permanent. With limited time, I had to move on, without the undo button and eraser. Alright, that part was probably a little too overdramatic, but anyway. Now all that was left to do was post the picture. And wait. Yeah, I know. I can't get results until October 15th, so I'll leave you guys with a short message. Get the veggies and get that mouse on the subscribe button. Peace out.